Okay, there's definitely a big dust storm coming. You can see the dust coming this way. Man, that's a lot of dust coming this way. Look at that thing come in. I was going to try and get to this earlier, but man, here it comes. We're getting right on top of it. I'm going to go shut the door to the shop. Because here comes the dust storm. Wow, look at that. It's even coming over this way. See that? That's the edge of the dust storm, and we're just getting into it. Oh man, super dust storm. I'm gonna shut this right now. Okay, we're gonna shut the shop door. Wow! Uh-oh. Everything's flying around. This is like the darkest dust storm I've ever seen. Quite the dust storm. Guess there's not much to see. Phew! Getting in my eyes. It's like night out there, huh? Wow. Okay. So you can't see anything now. It's all dust. Everywhere you look is dust. This is the biggest dust storm we've ever had here. Wow. That's the bug zapper right there, that blue thing. I don't think this video is going to have much more. Can you see the trees? No. Bad camera. That's the neighbor's house. Wow, everything's dark out. It's like it's midnight. Well, I think I'm going to stop this now because there's really not much to see on the video.